Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang gabi sa lahat ng Pilipino, sa lahat ng tribo, kung saan man kayo napadpad na bansa sa buong mundo. Magandang umaga na magandang tanghali sa inyong lahat. So ngayon, grabe exciting. Captain Enrique Dado o Dado Enrico nag-withdraw ng support kay BBM at si BP Sara na ang kinikilala niyang presidente. May susunod kaya? Masusunod kaya mga PMR? Ang dami na ng comment sa kanyang vlog na mag-sign sila, mag-withdraw ng support kay BBM. So ating papanoorin. So tara!
The question lang is, did I intend to deceive? Yes. Did I intend to take undue advantage over the Filipinos? Again, yes. So, this guy is not honorable. AFP, mga retired na mga PMayor, he is not honorable. Because may isa siyang sinabi, takbo akong presidente, boto niyo ako, sama-sama babangon tayo muli. Oh, nasaan yung presidente? Nawawala nga, tayo bumabangon. Ngayon, lumulubog yung barko mo, nasaan yung kapitan? Pinagtatalunan nga namin ng misis ko nagkukwentuhan kami. Lumulubog yung barko kasi nandun tayo lahat, no? Substandard, may pinatse doon na butas. Sabi ni Sas, nandun din sa barko si Sas, paano di magkakaloko-loko yan, kinurakot yung pera. Oh, yun nasabi ng ni Sas, kinurakot yung pera, ganyan, niloloko lang tayo. Sabi naman ni Marlica, nandun din sa barko. Nasaan yung kapitan? Nandun, sumisinghot. Binibidyohan niya. Ay, naku, Pilipinas. Tapos, nandyan lahat ng vlogger. So, paano? Nasaan ang Pangulo? Ako, ang tanong ko, nasaan yung pangalawang Pangulo? Step up, save the country. Save the boat. And we will support you. Madam President, ano ang pwede mong gawin? Ano ang kailangan naming gawin? Suporta kami sa iyo. You want to declare a revolutionary government? That's your call. You're the president now. You want to abolish Senate? That's your call. You are the president now, as far as I'm concerned. But if other Pinoy survivors in this channel and other people from all walks of life, all Filipinos, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, global Pinoys, OFW, follow suit and then inangkin nila yung sinasabi ko na we have lost our trust and confidence and we are announcing our yung withdrawal of support dun sa kay BBM, then you automatically become the president since it's stated in the Constitution. Now, yung mga wise guys dyan, mga lawyer, mga iba dyan, dilawan, lawyer, mga expert, sasabihin sa inyo, that's illegal. Stupid. What could be so illegal when the people of the Philippines, so they say, 32 million yung boto ni Inday Sara. When the 32 million Filipinos so decide, we are declaring that we are withdrawing our support and we do not recognize BBM as the president. Sara is our president. Ganun kasimple. May nakalagay sa konstitusyon na kailangan lang siya, impeachment. Marunong pa kayo sa taong bayan. Sinabi na nga ng tao Sabi ko na nga yung logic Yung constitution is a piece of paper unless ratified by the Filipino people. We, the sovereign Filipino people, nagbigay buhay at spirito sa Constitution. Now everybody follows the Constitution and all laws in the land emanating from the Constitution. And this government, this legislation coming na dapat consistent with the Constitution. At that moment, tonight, Today, Rizal Day, everybody feels, ang gising mo, wow, I feel like a Rizal. I feel like a Rizal. Happy New Year! Rizal, ano ba magagawa ni Rizal? Peaceful transition. Yun ang gusto ko, yung by use of my pen. Ano na ngayon? Internet na, SOCMED na. So, withdrawal of support. Millions of Filipinos talo Constitution because it is the sovereign will of the people. BBM administration et al. Sorry, pero panay bobo yung kasama nyo eh. Panay bobo yung kasama nyo. Because how can you suppress the Filipino people? They're now going out. Ayaw na nila eh. Galit na. So, ang hope ko, si President Sara will do better. You cleanse this country. Tutulungan ka namin, hindi lang ikaw. Tutulungan ka namin. Alangan mo, nag-iisa, hayaan natin nag-iisa. Hindi. Tulungan natin that in our generation, with a presidency of Sara for 4 years and then another 6 years, that's 10 years. Maybe the Philippines will be a Singapore. Yun sa akin. But if we allow the current situation doing nothing, bahala kayo sa buhay nyo. Ako, matanda na ako, retirado na ako, I can do anything. Sabi ko sa inyo, regalo ko sa inyo itong huling buhay ko, regalo ko sa inyo itong Christmas at New Year. Inisip ko, why not withdraw my support kay BBM? And maybe kayo, aangkinin nyo rin yon. So that yung lilitaw, yung sovereign will of the people, mas mataas doon sa Constitution. Okay? So, yun yung meron ba akong hindi na And, yung nangyari dong panahon ni ERAP na withdrawal of support, hindi ko na ikwento. Bago nangyari yon, nagkaroon ng withdrawal of support yung taong bayan kay ERAP. Ang ganda, di ba? Hindi lang na-pronounce. Ngayon, sinasabi ko sa inyo, when the impeachment proceedings, when they were asking for the second envelope, nabubuksan yung laman ng second envelope, yung mga kakampi ni ERAP na mga senator, sinasalag. Hindi pwede buksan yan, ganyan. You see, ginagamit yung batas, lahat ng batas, para to your advantage. Diba? So, nagalit yung tao, they went to the streets, people power to, and then, yung military, nakita nila, mas marami na itong indignation ng tao, withdrawal of support. So, tayo, withdrawal of support kay ako, withdrawal of support kay BBM. Sara becomes my president, di ba? Yun yung ko. Okay, yung sa manifesto, may sabihin nyo lang, doon sa comment section, sa dito, pagka pinost ko to, kung kayo, magsasign. The manifesto is a withdrawal of support. In the summary, withdrawal of support, no? Okay, basahin ko sa yung manifesto, pakinggan nyo na lang, malapit na yung time eh. Then you indicate your name if you want to, para pagka pin-read out ko to, kasama na yung pangalan nyo as one of the, wag yung bibigay yung signature nyo mismo. Sabihin nyo lang, I sign, tapos pangalan nyo, and kung OFW, probinsya nyo, country, o kaya kung retired kayo military man, sabihin nyo lang na kayo, kung ano ranko nyo, tsaka, hindi naman na kailangan ranko, sabihin nyo lang na kung army o whatever. But kung ano yung gusto nyo ilagay, at ano yung profession nyo. Manifesto ng taong bayan. I have 3 minutes. Para sagipin ang inang bayan. I still have to look kung kailangan pa itong yan, i-correct, When the government, I just want you to know, na yung niya, yung laman niya. When the government we installed takes a path of oppression, suppression of truth, justice, Our basic rights, our freedom of expression. When the government cultivates a culture of corruption, deception, coercion, and colludes with the enemies of the state, when government officials use existing laws to protect themselves from prosecution or to sow fear, takot tayo, amongst our citizens. Kakasuhan na nga raw yung mga vlogger daw eh. When the government puts in peril our democratic processes and the future of our country, we, the Filipino people, voice out in the loudest terms our grievances, point out the wrongs we see, seek transparency and accountability in the disbursement and liquidation of government funds, demand justice for the oppressed, and we strongly demand better governance. And when our demands fall into deaf ears, are met with arrogance and abuse of power, when we develop the feeling of hopelessness, wala ng pag-asa tayo, betrayal of public officials, tinatarantado tayo, and the uncertainty of our future, delikado tayo, nagdodroga yung presidente, question mark, at magpapayama silang lahat. We seek redress by exercising our sovereign will. That we, the Filipino people, effective immediately withdraw support for the President Ferdinand E. Marcos Jr. for betrayal of public trust. And we recognize BP Inday Sara Zimmerman Duterte as the President of the Republic of the Philippines by way of succession pursuant to Section 8, Article 7 of the 1987 Constitution. In God we trust. I sign. So, ayun, ipopost ko yung gusto pumirma kayo. Kung ayaw nyo, wag, walang pilitan yan. Control, pirma na rin kayo. Ayun, salamat sa inyo lahat. God bless the Philippines. Itong regalo ko sa inyo. Tignan ko kung mare-retouch pa. Pero basically, you know the thought. You say, I sign. And then you put your name dito sa comment section. Okay, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. My gift to you, God bless everyone. God bless the Philippines. Happy New Year. Bye.